Hey guys, welcome back to Top Tech TV. This video is all about gadgets and accessories. If you enjoy these things, don't forget to smash the like button and hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're checking out gadgets ranging all the way from under 500 rupees to under 2000 rupees. We've got a really good list for you. So let's quickly get started. The first product on our list is this mobile phone charging hanger. This is a really cool device. It plugs into your wall socket and you can place your phone on top of it after you plug in the charger directly into this device. So this is basically an adapter that plugs into the wall socket and creates a hanger. Now this is great, useful for sockets that are away from the ground or a table, and it's relatively cheap and folds away if you don't need it. Pretty cool device. Go check it out. Links are in the description below. The next product on our list is a 30-watt USB Type-C car charger. Now this is a compact car charger and it fits flush into your lighter port. It also does have a pull-out clip so that it is easy to remove once you're done using it. It has a Type-C port along with an LED light, and the Type-C port supports up to 30 watts. So if you have any of the new iPhones or any smartphone that takes 30 watts or more, this will give you up to 30 watts in the car, which is usually very rare for car chargers. The device is built really well and it does come with a USB-C to USB-C cable, and you can also plug in your own cables if that's what you're looking for. It is also available in a silver color in case the black color doesn't suit your car. Go check it out. Links are in the description below. The next product on our list is this Mosquito Lamp. Now this is a bug zapper. We featured mosquito devices in the past, but this one is a compact bug zapper and it uses a UV light to attract the mosquitoes and then an electric charge to zap them into oblivion. Now this is extremely compact and it does have a USB cable, so you can plug it directly into any USB charger or even a power bank to make this device run, and the cable does come inside the box. It's extremely compact and it does pack quite a punch with the charge being pretty solid. Go check it out if you're looking for something like this. Next up on our list is this automatic sensor trash can. Now this has a sensor on the front and it automatically opens up when you bring your hand close to it, and then when you're done using it, it automatically shuts the lid. Now this uses AA batteries to run the device, and it does have a bag holder as well, so that you can easily install a trash bag inside the bin. It's a pretty cool device. If it's something that you're looking for, it's easy to sort of keep the trash closed up away from flies and generally keeping the stench away. This is a cool device for that. The next product on our list is this 90-degree micro USB cable. Now this is also available in a Type-C format in case you're looking for that. This cable is braided and rated for 3 amps, as well as the fact that it does have an LED light on the charging side so that you know that the cable is working and the phone is charging when the light is on. The light will automatically go off when your phone stops charging. It can be used with a power bank or your existing charger, and because of it being right angle, not only does the cable fit into tight spaces, but it is also easier to use your phone while it's plugged in. Definitely go check it out. Links are in the description below. The next product on our list is this portable mini vacuum cleaner. Now, this is a really compact vacuum cleaner, but it is pretty powerful. This device makes it easy to clean spaces around you, so your desk, even your car, can be easily cleaned with this. It does have an inbuilt filter which is removable and washable, and you do get attachments on the front whether you want a sharp nozzle tip or a brush tip, especially for carpets in your car. This will be extremely useful for that. This has a built-in battery which is rechargeable, and the USB cable is included in the box. The vacuum has 5000 PA of suction power and a 120 watt motor, but more importantly there's a 2000 milliamp hour battery in there, which means that you can charge it up in 2 hours and you get about 18 minutes of vacuuming capability with this device. Pretty cool. Go check it out, especially for the car. This is extremely handy. Next product on our list is this 4-port USB charger. So if you want to convert your sockets into multiple USB chargers instead of just having one USB charger, this is a really cool device for that. You must note the limitations with respect to charging. So you do get 2 ports that are 2.1 amps, whereas 2 ports that are 1.3 amps. So if you're looking for something that does really fast charging, this is definitely not it, but it does do up to 10 watts of charging from the first 2 ports. So it can be really useful for everyday home devices that are plugged in via USB, including the Mosquito Lamp that we showed earlier can easily run off of this. This is relatively cheap. It does have a flat pin style connector, but it also includes an Indian style connector inside the box. Pretty cool device. Go check it out if you're looking for something like this. The next product on our list is this retractable folding stool. This is a relatively lightweight and easy to carry stool. It does come with a carrying handle, and you can also pull out a shoulder strap which is also mounted on the stool itself. It easily retracts and opens up, and it locks into place once it's fully open, and can also be locked into a smaller height, so you don't have to go all the way up. If you want a smaller stool, say for a kid, you can have it open up only to a smaller size. The stool is rated for a weight of up to 150 kilograms, which is awesome. And this is a convenient device when you go outdoors, or if you're traveling, you can have this in your car just for an easy stool if you need to have one handy. A pretty cool device and relatively inexpensive. Go check it out. Links are in the description below. The next product on our list is this 80-watt car port splitter. Now, this is a really cool device. It converts your single power port or a lighter port into multiple lighter ports, and it also adds 2 USB charging ports. The 2 USB charging ports are useful, but if you want a faster charger, you can also plug in the USB Type-C charger that we showed off earlier directly into one of the lighter ports that you created with this. Another cool feature is that the main port also does have a display which shows off the battery voltage of your car, so you can also monitor the health of your car battery with this device. It's built really well. It has this nice brushed aluminum finish, and it looks absolutely fantastic. Go check it out. Links are in the description below. The next product on our list is a mist spray cum water bottle. So when you look at it, it looks like a standard water bottle, which does have a 600 milliliter capacity. We have it in the black color, but it's also available in various other colors. It is relatively inexpensive, and the bottle is also 100% BPA free. Now, the coolest function of this is the fact that it has a sprayer built in, which sprays out a fine mist from the water that is inside the bottle. This mist can be used to cool down after a gym session or in the summer heat. And the spray can also be used for several other purposes, including spraying onto your smartphone and then just wiping off the screen. So really useful product to have. Go check it out. Completely inexpensive. Links in the description below. So that completes the list. If you enjoyed this episode of Top Tech TV, don't forget to smash the like button. If you have any suggestions for our future Top Tech TV episodes, leave those in the comment section below. Share this video with a friend who would enjoy some of these gadgets and accessories. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. This has been Bharat. You've been watching Top Tech TV. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.